Turkey's defense industry is developing rapidly and is beginning to attract global attention. A country that once relied on imported military technology is now able to independently design, manufacture, and develop modern weapon systems. One of the most ambitious projects, symbolizing the rise of the Turkish defense industry, is the development of a next-generation stealth fighter jet. A stealth fighter jet is more than just a conventional weapon. This technology combines artificial intelligence, aerodynamic engineering, radar-absorbing materials, advanced avionics systems, and high-performance engines. Only a handful of countries in the world have been able to develop a fifth-generation fighter jet independently. Upon entering the assembly line, the fuselage structure is streamlined with a highly aerodynamic configuration for speed and agility. In the air, Turkish engineers designed the fuselage using advanced computer simulations to ensure maximum stability and efficiency. Every curve in the fuselage serves a crucial function, reducing air resistance and increasing maneuverability. The wings are also designed to support both collisions combat and high-speed attack capabilities. Composite materials are selected for their lightweight yet extremely strong nature. The use of lightweight materials is crucial for increasing the aircraft's speed and fuel efficiency. Titanium is typically used in parts subject to high stress and temperatures. One of the biggest challenges in developing a stealth fighter is the jet engine. The engine must be powerful yet efficient and produce minimal heat. Turkish engineers have undertaken extensive development in the propulsion sector to produce an engine capable of propelling the aircraft to supersonic speeds. The main advantage of this new generation of fighter jets lies not only in their stealth design but also in the electronic systems in the cockpit. Turkey has developed modern avionics that allow pilots to receive real-time combat information. Large digital displays replace the old analog panels, allowing pilots to control the aircraft more easily and quickly. The integrated sensor system allows the aircraft to detect threats from multiple directions simultaneously. The latest generation of the ESA radar is also a key part of the fighter's development. This radar is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously with high accuracy. The Turkish stealth fighter program is designed to replace the aging fleet of fighter aircraft that has been in service for decades. This project is part of a long-term strategy to create a self-sufficient and modern air force. Inside the production facility, the aircraft assembly process is carried out using modern manufacturing technology. High-precision robots assist in assembling components with incredible accuracy. Every part of the aircraft is inspected using digital scanning to ensure even the slightest error. Composite materials are processed in special rooms with strict temperature and humidity controls to ensure flawless quality. Automation technology makes the production process faster and more efficient. However, the role of human technicians and engineers remains crucial, especially during the system testing and software integration stages. Before the aircraft is cleared for flight, various tests are conducted in stages, including testing the fuselage structure, hydraulic systems, avionics, radar, and electronic warfare simulations. The aircraft then undergoes high-speed tests on the runway to ensure stability during takeoff. Afterward, test pilots conduct the first flight to evaluate the aircraft's performance in the air. Each test result is analyzed in detail by a team of engineers. If any deficiencies are found, corrections are made immediately before mass production begins. The development of a new generation stealth fighter jet is an important symbol for Turkey. The country wants to demonstrate its ability to compete in world-class military technology without relying entirely on other countries. The success of this project also opens up significant export opportunities in the future. Many countries are beginning to take interest in Turkish defense technology due to its perceived high quality and competitive costs compared to Western products. In addition to economic benefits, this project also enhances national technological capabilities in aerospace, artificial intelligence, composite materials, and modern electronic systems. Turkey's stealth fighter jet is projected to compete with various modern fighter jets worldwide. With stealth capabilities, advanced radar, and modern electronic warfare systems, this aircraft is prepared to face the challenges of future warfare. Although still in the development and refinement stages, many military observers believe that Turkey has significant potential to become a major player in the global aerospace industry. Government support, substantial investment, and experience in building modern combat drones are crucial in the development of this new generation of aircraft. Turkey aims to become not only a user of military technology, but also a major producer of modern defense systems globally. The development of a stealth fighter jet is a major step toward this goal. In the future, this aircraft is expected to be integrated with loyal wingman combat drones, artificial intelligence systems, and modern digital warfare networks. The concept of future air warfare will increasingly rely on data integration and high-precision strike capabilities. With the continued development of its national defense industry, Turkey is now one of the most highly regarded countries in the world of modern military technology. The next-generation stealth fighter jet is not just a war machine, but a symbol of the ambition, technology, and rise of Turkey's aerospace industry on the world stage. Turkey recognizes that dependence on other countries for defense could pose a strategic threat. Therefore, the government has begun investing heavily to strengthen its national defense industry. Various Turkish defense companies have begun developing combat drones, armored vehicles, missile systems, and even modern warships. The success of Turkish-made combat drones in various international conflicts has become a starting point for the country's defense industry's confidence. Following the success of modern combat drones, the next step is to develop a new generation of stealth fighter aircraft capable of competing with the world's most advanced fighter jets.